recording again. So let me share my screen, entire screen. So I'm hoping you guys can see my screen. So
Yeah.
in order to be able to build for Android, if you're using what's it called, Android Studio, you come to your build Flutter build APK. So this will start the building for you. So when it completes, it's going to give you it's going to on the log, it's going to tell you that the building has been completed. Then it shows you where it is, which is like it shows you that it's in the build folder, app, output, Flutter APK, then APK release. So which is build APK output, uh, Flutter APK. Then this is our app. So I can just copy this guy and maybe send it to the group, but that will be for later. I'll do that after the whole class is done. So let's create our Firebase account and pop and do all of the things we're supposed to do. So to create our Firebase account, we'll go to Firebase dot Firebase .io, I guess, or something. I've forgotten. Firebase.google.com. So for those of us that don't have an account, you just do the get started, complete everything. But then I already have an account, so it takes us to our console, to my console. I hope I don't have anything sensitive. Okay, it's not sensitive data. So you can create a new project. So you give your project a name. So the name of our project is GDSC SSA. Okay, let's do GDSC SSA tax management activities, tax management at TMA, right? That's the name of our project. Your project, I beg, continue. Then it asks you if you want to enable Google Analytics or not. So continue. Choose an account for analytics. Choose the default account. So you create your project. So this is going to take a while. It's going to create our project for us. What's your question?
Please, apart from Firebase, is there any other a place that we can keep the database?
Yes, there is. But then for now, we're working with Firebase, so it has created the project for us. So now we have to sync our projects with the Firebase, with our Firebase storage, our Firebase account. So we are building both Android and iOS, right? But for this class, we'll be covering Android because most of us are using Android. So you click on Android. It's going to ask you for your package name. So to get the package name of your app, you go to your Android folder, Android. So you go to your Android. I think it's going to be somewhere in no app, not Gradu, APK, SRC, main, then manifest.xml. So we are going to get our package name. So this is our package name. So we copy it and we paste it here. So what is our app's name? Our app's name is, this is optional, but we have to fix. We can just fill it up. So GDSC SSA TMA. So you register our app. So now we are asked to download the first JSON file. So you download this file. Then open file, show in Finder. This is the file. You copy it. Then you take it. You paste it in your app directory like this. So let's do that. Let me just display that one. Uh, So which is going to be here. You just come to your Android, then app, then you paste it inside of your app. Web service.json, you paste the JSON file here. Then you continue. Next. So if you have not added, if these are not added in your project, you just have to like add them to the root level. So let's check to see if it is there. So you know, root level, project level, project grid file. Most of the times this thing is added, but let's just go. Let me just verify. What's your question?
Attendance late, please.
Kausa or Mubarak, please could you help us with that? Dependencies, dependencies. Okay, so you copy this guy and you paste it in your dependencies. In your Gradle file, can anybody help us with attendance? I think these guys are added, which we can see here. See Google, see the Maven Central. So all you need to copy is just the Google GMS, that's Google Services port not soon. Click on that's done. Continue to console and our project should be created. So we now have our project synced with Google, with the Firebase. But then we'll not be doing much because we're not using it now. We're using it in our next project. So we have added, we have connected our project to like Firebase. If you have any questions, you can ask now. We have done that for Android, so we can do it now for iOS. So to do for iOS, you just have to add app, then iOS, then the package name, which we already have, blah 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 blah. Continue. So, any questions, guys? Any questions so far? Okay, I think I'll stop here.
No,
Thank you
not
for